Hello, our topic for today is about volumes of pyramid. Okay, so when you say volume, okay, it's the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object. Okay, so ito din yung nasa loob mismo, okay, ng mga 3D objects natin. So ano nga ba yung mga example ng 3D objects natin? So, meron tayong cube, prism, sphere, cone, cylinder, ayan. Okay, aside from pyramid. Okay? Now, what about pyramid? Ano bang definition ni pyramid? Okay? So, when you say pyramid, okay, it's a three-dimensional figure with a flat polygon as its base. Okay, so mamaya, may kita niyo yung iba't ibang klase ng pyramid. Okay, na nagda-depend. Okay? Depende po dun sa itsura ng base niya or ng ilalim niya. Okay? So, all other faces of a pyramids are triangles called lateral faces. So, yung sinasabi naman nating lateral face, ito naman yung mga nasa gilid, okay, ng ating pyramid. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi kong different kinds of pyramids, okay, depending on the shape of its base. And so, the first one, ayan. So, dahil triangle yung base natin, this is what we call the triangular pyramid. Okay, next. Okay, we have the square or pwedeng rectangular pyramid. And meron din tayo tinatawag na pentagonal pyramid. Ayan. Okay? So, alam natin yung base, yun yung nasa ilalim. Okay, yung lateral faces, yung nasa gilid ng pyramid. Okay, then yung, syempre, yung height, yung taas ng pyramid natin. Then yung nasa tuktok natin. And, okay, yung nasa peak. Okay, that's what we call the apex. Ayan. Okay, so, first, mag-focus lang muna tayo dito. Okay, kay triangular pyramid. Okay, so the formula in getting the volume of triangular pyramid is read as 1/3 multiplied to the base, okay, the base area, okay, and then multiply to the height, okay, of the pyramid. Okay, so kapag given naman si base area tsaka si height, ayan, so pwede man naman siya i-multiply then divide by 3 na. Ayan, okay? Pero kung hindi given si base area, kailangan mo pa siya hanapin, okay, with the use of this formula. Okay? So, we have 1/2 times base times height. Again, yung base area, okay, yung sukat mismo, yung area mismo nung polygon, okay, or ng shape dun sa baba, okay, sa ilalim. Okay, let's have an example. A sculptor is creating a triangular pyramid lantern for a school exhibit. The triangular base has a base length of 8 cm and the height of 6 cm. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo, given na triangular pyramid yung gagamitin natin, so yung binigay na sukat, triangular base, meaning to say, yung sukat po nung nasa ilalim ay may base length na 8 cm at may height na 6 cm. Okay, so yung base na sinasabi dito, yung ilalim. Okay, the pyramid itself has a height of 10 cm. So, huwag kayong malito kung makita na ay dalawa yung height. Okay, so yung isang height, tinutukoy na yung height ng mismong base. Tapos, yung isa namang height is yung taas mismo ng pyramid, which is 10 cm. Okay, now, what's being asked is the volume of the triangular pyramid lantern. Okay, so mapapansin nyo sa given na data natin, okay, hindi binigay si base area, which is very needed dun sa formula natin na V equals 1/3 times base area times height, okay, ng pyramid. So, meaning to say, kahanapin pa natin siya. Okay? Okay, so first, list down muna natin yung given. Okay? So, ang given natin, okay, is yung triangle base natin. Okay? Yung nasa ilalim. Okay, so yung base length daw nun, okay, is 8 cm. Okay, and yung height is 6 cm. Okay, While, yung pinaka-height mismo ng pyramid, okay, lalakihan ko lang para kay malito, okay, is 10 cm. Okay, and we're looking for the volume. Okay, so yung formula nito, okay, is 1/3 times yung base area times yung height mismo ng pyramid. Okay, but mapapansin nyo, wala tayong base area. Okay, pero binigyan tayo ng pwedeng masolve. Okay, so kung hindi present si base area, pwede natin siya hanapin, again, by using, okay, the formula of 1/2 times yung base times yung height ng mismong triangle. Okay, so ito i-apply natin dito. So this will become 1/2 times yung base na 8 cm times yung height na 6 cm. Okay, so multiply lang natin to pareho. So 8 cm times 6 cm, that is 48. Okay, so mangyayari sa units natin, okay, cm times cm, that will become square centimeter. Okay, and then, since may 1/2 tayo, okay, we're just gonna divide it by 2. Okay, 48 divided by 2, that is 24. Okay, square centimeter. Okay, so ito na yung base area natin. Okay, so dahil may base area na tayo, yan, pwede na nating i-apply itong formula. Okay, so this will become now 1/3 times yung kakakuha lang natin na base area, which is 24 square centimeter, times yung height na po ng mismong pyramid, which is 10 centimeter. Okay, so multiply lang natin yung dalawa. So 24 times 10, that is 240 cm squared times cm. Okay, that is cubic centimeter na. Okay, and then we have 1/3, okay, sa gilid, so meaning to say we have to divide it by 3. Okay, yung sagot natin, so 240 divide by 3, that is 80. Okay, then copy lang po natin yung units of measurement. Okay, so the final answer, or the volume, okay, in this given is 80 cubic centimeter. Okay, next example, we have a triangular pyramid has a base area of 36 square centimeter and the height of a pyramid is 9 centimeter. What is the volume of the triangular pyramid? Ayan. So this time, okay, the base area is already given, so we don't have to use yung 1/2 times base times height na. Ayan, katulad ng ginawa natin in the previous example. So, we can now directly substitute it to the formula, okay, which is 1/3 times base area times height of the pyramid, since complete naman yung given natin. Okay, so yung base natin, we have 36 square centimeter. Okay, multiply natin sa height natin, which is 9 centimeter. Okay, so the answer is yan, 324 cm squared times cm, that would give us cubic centimeter. Okay, then yung answer natin na to, we have to divide it by 3 pa. Okay, so 324 divided by 3, okay, that would give us 108, then copy lang yung units of measurement. Okay, so the volume of the triangular pyramid is no other than 108 cubic centimeter. Okay, next example, and we have a triangular pyramid has a base, okay, of 12 centimeter and a triangle height of 5 centimeter. Its volume is 120 cubic centimeter. Find the height of the pyramid. Ayan na naman, dalawa na naman yung height natin. Okay? So first, suriin muna natin, okay, mabuti yung mga given natin. So, yung first natin na given, ayan, triangular pyramid base, okay? Okay, so may base tayo. So, meaning to say, yung ilalim, yung tinutukoy na measurement dito. Okay? So, kapag po ganyan, naka-encounter kayo na, ay, dalawa yung height, meaning nun, the other height is for the base area. So, wala tayong base area. So, gagamitin na naman natin yung formula na 1/2, okay, times yung base given times yung height ng ating triangle na nasa ilalim. Okay? So, ngayon, pinagkaiba naman nito from the previous example is the volume is already given. Okay, meron na tayong volume. Ngayon, ang pinakahinahanap natin, yung taas mismo ng pyramid. Okay, ngayon, paano pag ganon? Okay, paano yung gagawin natin? So, same formula pa rin po tayo. Okay, na volume equals 1/3 times base area times height mismo ng pyramid. Okay, pinagkaiba nga lang, ito yung hinahanap natin. Okay, but before we proceed dito sa given na to, hanapin muna natin yung base area. Okay, so dito muna tayo mag-focus. So, 1/2 times yung base natin na given na 12 cm. Okay, times yung height na 5 cm. Okay, yan. Okay, multiply lang natin, 12 times 5, okay, that is 60, cm times cm, cm squared. Okay, then, may 1/2 tayo, so i-divide natin by 2, okay, that would give us 30, ayan, square centimeter. Ayan, so meron na tayong base area. Okay, so, substitute lang po natin dito. Ayan, sa formula natin. So, since meron na tayong volume, papalitan lang natin yan ng 120 cubic centimeter equals 1/3. Tapos, yung base na nakuha natin, which is si 30. Ayan, square centimeter. Tapos, since nawawala nga yung height ng pyramid, h lang siya. Ayan. Okay? Then, paano gagawin kapag ganito? So, actually, two-way yan. Okay? Pakita ko lang muna yung una. Okay? So, pwedeng i-divide na lang natin yung base area dito kay 3. Dito sa 1/3. Ayan. So, pwede natin to i-divide. Okay? So, this will become 30 divided by 3, that is 10. Okay, 10 square centimeter. Copy lang natin yung unit. Tsaka si H. Ayan. Tapos, copy yung kabila, 120 cubic centimeter. Okay. Then, para matira na lang si H o si height sa kabila, we have to divide both sides. Ayan. Kasama nung ayan, ni 10 square centimeter. Para ayan, makancel siya. Okay. So, sulat lang natin yung bago. So, magiging 120 cubic centimeter divide 10 square centimeter. Okay. So, divide lang natin. 120 divided by 10, that is 12. Then, cm cube divide cm squared. Okay. Rule ng division of polynomial. So, that will become cm na lang. Okay? So, the height of the pyramid, okay, in this problem is no other than 12 centimeter. Ayan. Okay, next example, we have a triangular pyramid has a base area, okay, of 12 and square centimeter po yan. And its volume is 120 cubic centimeter. Find the height of the pyramid. Ayan. So, ganun ulit. Okay, similar dun sa previous example natin. Okay, but this time, meron na tayong base area. Ayan, so hindi na natin kailangan hanapin. Okay, no need for 1/2 times base times height. Ayan, meron na po tayo. Okay, then, given ulit si volume. Ayan, so hinahanap ulit natin yung yung H. So, since given na si base area, dadirect na tayo sa formula. Okay, na 1/3. Okay, times yung base area times yung height. Ayan. Okay? So, copy lang natin yung volume. We have 120 cubic centimeter equals 1/3 times yung base area na 12 yan, square centimeter tapos H ulit since hinahanap natin. Okay? So, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, ayan, so, ayan, divide lang natin yung base area natin kay 3. Ayan. Okay? So, 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Ayan. Square centimeter. Ayan. Tapos, copy. Okay? Then, copy lang natin yung kabila. 120 cubic centimeter. Okay. Ayan. Okay? Tapos, para matira na lang si H o si height, divide both sides by, ayan, 4 square centimeter. Ayan. So, ang sagot na natin is 120 divided by 4, that is 30. Then, cm cube divide as cm squared, that will give us, ayan, 30 cm. So, ito na po yung height ng pyramid natin. Okay, next example, we have a triangular pyramid has a volume of 84 cubic centimeter and the height of 12 centimeter. Find the area of its triangular base. Okay, so this time, okay, ang hinahanap naman natin is yung base area. Ayan po, area of the triangular base. Okay, yung B, yung hinahanap natin. Okay, but since ayan lang naman yung given, so, hindi natin gagamitin tong C1 half times base times height. Ayan, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Okay? So, hindi yan yung gagamitin natin. So, dahil volume at saka height lang ng pyramid yung given natin, ida-direct na po natin siya dito sa formula natin na 1/3 times base area times yung height. Yan. Okay? So, since given si volume, copy lang natin, 84 cubic centimeter equals 1/3 times, wala nga tayong base area, so B lang siya. Pero meron tayong height na 12 cm. Okay, and then, katulad nung ginawa lang natin to kanina nung nawawala si height. Same process lang po. Okay, so, yan, divide lang natin yung pwede ma-divide. So, 12 divided by 3, that will give us 4 cm. Okay, then, ayan, times B, since, ayan, wala siya. Okay, tapos, copy lang natin yung kabila, and then, wait, sulat na natin dito. Nakasya. Ayan, 84 cm cube. Ayan, divide both sides po natin by 4 cm para makancel. Kaso di nyo makikita. Ayan. Okay? So, para si B na lang yung matitira. So, divide natin by 4 cm. Okay, so, ayan, 84. Ayan, divided by 4. Okay, so the answer is, ayan, 21 cm. Nasagot. Cm cube divide cm. Okay, rules and division of polynomials. And that would give us square centimeter. Yan. So, yan na po yung base area ng ating triangular pyramid. Okay, for our last example, okay, we have a triangular pyramid has a volume of 150 cubic centimeter and the height of 15 centimeter. Find the area of its triangular base. So, base area ulit yung hinahanap natin. Again, okay, katulad ng ginawa natin sa previous example. Okay, so, apply na natin directly yung formula na 1/3 times base area times height. Okay? So, since given si volume, copy lang natin ulit. 150 cubic centimeter equals 1/3 times B na lang. Okay? Times, ayan, height na 15 cm. Okay? And then, divide lang natin yung given height dito. Okay, so magiging 15 divided by 3. Okay, that is, ayan, 5. Then, copy lang natin yung units, 5 cm times B. Copy yung kabila. Okay, then, para B na lang ang matira, divide both sides by 5. Okay, so 150 divided by 5, that is 30. Then, yan, cm squared. Yan. So, that's the answer. Okay, for practice, you might want to answer the per item assessment about the volumes of triangular pyramid. So, for number 1, okay, you just have to find the volume. Number 2, the height. Number 3, the base area. And number 4, still volume. Okay?